tonight I'd like to not be super late for.
Then let's pump this out. What time is it at?
6. Eli
got
is
this.
super cute.
Yeah, he's a monster right now.
Yeah. This is lesson 13, right?
Lesson 13. Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Says oh, I didn't see that. Was the sample size supposed to be the same for each group?
I don't think it has to be. So when calculating, so what question are you looking at?
Requirements. The requirements for doing it. What's the requirements? I know that it needs to be a simple random sample. It needs to be independent, and it needs to be a normal distribution.
No. Sorry. No, it's the first one.
What? What was that, dude? You froze. That's not a good sign.
That's gross.
Hey, you're back.
All right. I don't know what happened
All right.
there. Okay.
So for the first one, what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test? It definitely has to be a simple random study, and the mean is normally distributed for each group. That's true. The sample size, but I don't know about the sample size must be the same for each group.
I don't think so because they're independent samples, and so I think it's just the first two.
Okay. The test statistic is a t-score.
T-score. And then number 2 for the question 5.
Yeah. Second one, please. For the next 6 question, use the data file dentist office bills.sav.
Oh, this is painful. There we go.
Using SPS?
The VMware. Well,
yeah.
What do you want? Do you want to see who's on there? It's not Grandma. His name's Curtis. We've met him a couple times.
Oh, hello.
You got my hands dirty. Look at you, Mr. Messy Man. You have a wipe over there. No, here, I'll just wipe it on your burp cloth thing. There we go. Good job, little man.
I thought you said, do you have a wife over there? And I'm like, he was just born. Give him time.
Hurry up, kid. You're not paying bills by the next month. Ooh, you're out of here.
Okay. So perform a hypothesis. Okay. In order to get this, I go to analyze descriptive statistics, correct? And explore.
Yeah, and that gives you like the basic stuff, the mean and all that jazz.
Yeah. The
And then
dependent one is the dentist bill. Is there anything else? No, there's nothing else I have to do. I might want to include a histogram. And is it going to ask for a 95 or a 99?
Degrees of freedom,
Nothing else.
standard deviation, test statistic, p-value, and then yeah, so you're good.
Okay. All right. All right. So
What data file was it?
Yeah, I saw.
was I somehow supposed to input something else? I think I'm missing something, dude. I'm only getting one row. Am I supposed to have more than one row?
I'm still pulling up SPSS. And the data
Yeah.
is not divided up into groups.
You have Rexburg as you have city Rexburg. Oh, I guess that might be. Maybe I did it wrong. So let's say I hit analyze descriptive statistics. Statistics.
This is so slow.
Yep, I got stuck, man.
Oh man, he's messy. Okay, it is up. Oh, okay, so the two groups are Idaho Falls and then Rexburg. So let's do the first thing first. So let's do transform, automatic recode.
What?
And
Hold on. Transform. Yep. Where's automatic recode? There it is. Okay. Then I hit dentist bill. No.
No, city. Because we're going to change the groups. Yeah.
And then what?
So we have to name it. I'll just do city. Let's just name it city recode like he did in the video.
City recode is the new name?
Yep. And then add a new name. And just press OK.
Says I did an illegal character. A space?
Oh, yeah. Don't do spaces. Sorry.
Okay.
And then
hit OK.
Click add a new name and then press OK.
Okay. Oh my. Oh, and then it gives me another.
Yeah, so now there should be 1s and 2s instead of Idaho Falls and Rexburg.
Okay. So then do I hit descriptive statistics?
I don't think we need that one right now.
We need the degrees of freedom. Which one are we doing?
Yeah, so that's going to be under
means,
the analyze, the compare means. I'm going to do the independent samples t-test.
Nailed it. Okay, so then we want to use the city recode one and the dentist bill, correct?
Yeah. Yep. So the test variables are going to be the dentist bill, and then the group variables are going to be the city recode.
Oh.
Does that make sense?
Sure.
And then, so when you move the city recode over to the group variables, you click on define group, and you define the groups by whatever the recode is. So there are 1 and then 2.
Group 1 is 1, group 2 is 2.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Because Falls and Rexburg. Falls is now 1, and Rexburg is now 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So then your degrees of freedom, you use the bottom row, correct? So then it's 37.996.
Hello?
Hey, dude. I don't know what's happening, so I thought this might be easier.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay. So I've got degrees of freedom 37.996. Sample standard deviation for Rexburg was 206.637. Test statistic was negative 0.434. And I'm looking for the p-value now. Is the p-value the significant two-tailed one right there? And then you just take that divided by 2. So is it 0.333?
If that's what you're at.
Okay. And you got the same ones I did on the other ones?
Yep.
Okay. And with 0.333, we failed to reject. Suppose instead you had used the alternative hypothesis. We have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between two cities are the same.
Second
Wait,
one.
yeah, second one. For the next one, okay, so we have to do the same thing. We do transform, recode. What was it called again? Automatic recode.
Yeah, automatic point recode.
and then we do state, and then we do state recode or something.
Yeah, just name it again, whatever you want.
Okay, and we hit OK. Now we got that in there. Then we hit analyze. What does it want us to get? It wants us to get the p-value, the test statistic. So then we do analyze, compare means, independent t-samples, state recode was the grouping variable, and freshman was the test variable. And then we're going to define the groups. Group 1 is 1, group 2 is 2. Doesn't really matter, does it?
Nope. Well, you're supposed to match. Yeah, I don't think it matters. No.
Okay.
I'll think about it now.
All right. So then I got that, and we'll go to this. Okay, you suspect that.
What is the alternative hypothesis?
You suspect that a freshman from Utah cooked dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen. Okay, so it's just different. So it's the second one. Test statistic. I got.
Negative 0.845.
Yeah. And p-value. I got 0.410. Is that what you got?
0.41.
And you failed to reject. Determine a 95% confidence interval. Margin of error for this one is. You got a calculator on you?
Yeah.
2.20401 minus well, actually plus 5.13734.
You add them together or just subtract them?
Normally you would subtract them, but you're dealing with a negative lower bound.
Oh, yeah. Okay. 5.137.
34, and then divide by 2.
So 3.670. So 3.671 because we're going to round up. So
Okay.
3.67.
Input the lower bound. It's negative
5.137.
137. Yeah. And upper bound was 2.204. And that's it. Should we submit it?
Yeah. Glad you're late, buddy.
That's all right.
And 100.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Hey, thanks, man.
Yeah, have a good night.
You too.